Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Emerald Snake ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could get this Emerald Snake and I'm going to place it on my garden. Then I'm going to show you what this pet can do. Okay, I'm going to view the ability of this pet guys. Oops, wait. Alright, and this is the ability of the emerald snake. Every 7 minutes goes to a random fruit and converts the fruit into a random jam themed cosmetic. And yeah, basically this pet can turn your fruits into jam themed cosmetic. You will get free cosmetic guys from this pet. And I have already gotten this cosmetic. I don't know what it is called, but I got it from the emerald snake. Wait, let me place it on my garden. This is one of the jam themed cosmetic. Okay, this one. Okay, it's book, and I also get this chair. Oops, sorry. This chair, guys. The jam chair. I got it from the emerald snake. And yeah, I think it's good, but I don't know. It's worth or not to keep on our garden. And it's one of the legendary pet. Okay guys, and that's all about the emerald snake in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.